Today on Mr. Music Man TV.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Songbird.
Good morning, Mr. Music. Good morning, class. Hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, I am here to help.
All right, class. Today, we're starting our lesson on learning how to recognize the notes on a music staff. We'll start with the notes on the line. E, G, B, D, F. Now we'll move along to the notes in the spaces. F, A, C, E. All right, guys, before you guys say it, it's really easy to remember. On the lines, you use every good boy does fine. That's how I remember it. And the spaces, you remember it like this. Face, your face. F, A, C, E covers the spaces.
You too close.
Hi, Pitch. What's wrong with you?
They're too close to me, and they're doing it on purpose. I need them to be this far. I just can't take anything less.
All right, do you guys have it good in there so I can go back to the lesson?
Yes,
Okay.
I'll just keep my hands out. We'll be okay.
All right, now you guys try.
F, A, C, E. Face. E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine.
You got it right. Go. Do your thing. Great job, guys.
Excuse me, but I'm gonna need all of you to take that bubble gum out of your mouth, okay? Told you we weren't supposed to.
All right, for your homework, you're going to create a song using the notes on the line and the notes in the spaces. I look forward to hearing your songs.
Okay, High Pitch, we're here now. Are you ready to do our homework? Good, doggy. Yeah, you know we gotta put the lines and spaces to a beat. So get off that computer and let's get to work. I am! Just let me finish watching Shay do this dance, and then we can work. Oh no, he's stuck on the Shay again. High Pitch, I like your dog.
In the spaces you'll see S-A-C-E. 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 On the line, every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. On the line, every good boy does fine. On the lines. In the spaces you'll see S-A-C-E. In the spaces you'll see S-A-C-E. In the spaces you'll see S-A-C-E. On the line, every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. On the line, every good boy does fine. On the line. Yeah! All right now.
Peace out.
Great job, guys. I love that song.
And now it's time for awesome music stuff.
Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. Music Man here. How are you doing? Listen, listen, I've got a special instrument for you today I wanted to introduce to you. Do you recognize this instrument? Well, you may not. It's a brass instrument. And guess what kind of instrument it's called? It's called the trombone. Would you like to see how it works? Wonderful. First, notice that the trombone is in 3 parts. I'm going to take it apart for you now and show you the different parts. First, we have the bell. The bell is where the sound comes out. This is where all the special music you hear comes right to your ears. The second part of it is the slide. The slide moves up and down just like this. And this is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it. Finally, we have this third part. This is called a mouthpiece. The mouthpiece is where we make a special sound with our lips. Would you like to hear that? It's called a buzz. Awesome. Now what we do is we take the mouthpiece, we put it in the slide like so, and we put the bell back on the slide. And guess what? We have ourselves a trombone. Any of you out there like race cars? Well, if you do, I've got a special treat for you. Everybody put your hands on the gear shift. Are you ready? Was that fast enough for you, boys and girls? How about a song for you now? I hope you enjoy it. What'd you think, boys and girls? Did you like it? Yeah, that's the trombone. You know, the trombone is the only instrument in the band or the orchestra that has a slide on it, just like this. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. That's the sound of the trombone.
This has been another episode of Awesome Music Stuff.
Circle.
Circle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Square.
Square.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Octagon.
Octagon.
Star.
Star.
Oval.
Oval.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Parallelogram.
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 Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to mrmusicmancompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.